Good morning, everyone. So today I just want to do a little something different. I wanted to kind of give you guys a tour of my makeup room where I create my magic and what not. I know I'm busted today. This morning I'm still in pajamas. Ridiculous, right? But anyway, let's take a look at my room. Into my domain. All the art is made by me. Yeah, I got Georgia. I got them silhouetted. I made the bench. I even made loving these pillows. Got from Pier 1. My curtains. Makeup order. Makeup order. This is all new makeup. I haven't even opened this swatch. The only thing I've used out of here is this Versailles and Dose of Colors palette. And beauty blender. A bunch of lashes. My Dark Magic palette, which I did that green look with. Just some little decorations that I made and stuff. Other stuff, compliance makeup in there too. Some stuff in my drawers, like my recording equipment, lighter. My camera, I have the Canon Rebel T6i, so the screen actually pops out on it. I'll show you guys in the back, so I don't want to pull it out. And my ring light is a Neewer ring light. I actually got this off of Amazon. So, yeah. This cheap little clock I got from Pier 1 on sale for like $3. And junk in my drawers. You know. Junk in my drawers. Junk. Yeah, I'm not going to show you all my drawers. My makeup chair for my clients. Just my little cheap stand. More art. My computer. I was actually sitting up here watching a tutorial by Gina for short. Excuse me, Gina short for Regina. Blah, I cannot talk this morning. But yeah, this is my little area. I make magic, my notes, my gold book. Sitting up here drinking coffee this morning. And then lastly, oh, and I keep my head wraps on there. I love head wraps. I'm a head wrap freak. I have more than that. I got a little chandelier up here. Everything. It's actually a storage room in my house. And then my mirror. I love my mirror. I come in here and put clothes on sometimes. But yeah, my nice little chair. I got this chair from Amazon too, and the cover. But yeah, that's it. I DIY'd this whole room pretty much. My spouse did create the desk for me. So it's like a floating desk style. But yeah, that is my room. If you guys want to see me unbox some of my makeup, possibly do a review, let me know. Oh, and I've actually hit over 100 subscribers. That's my son in the background. I plan on doing a giveaway of 3 products. An eyeshadow palette, as well as a skincare product. And I haven't really thought of the other product. But these will be some favorites that I like. It'll probably be like my favorite setting spray, more than likely, or some Max Fix Plus. I don't know, but these are all things that I like to use. I want to share those with you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my video if you like what you saw. Yeah, thumbs me up, everything. All right, thanks. I'm out. Bye.